Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the lamp type and the supply. This matters because 12V DC lamps need a driver, while 120V AC lamps do not. Once you've verified voltage, cut power at the breaker and test the circuit with a multimeter to make sure it's dead. Next, remove any fixture cover and expose wiring. Make sure you have stripped about 1/2 inch of insulation. You do these steps first to prevent shock and to ensure the correct connection method for the lamp. You now connect the wires paying attention to polarity because LED polarity affects operation and lifespan. First, identify live and neutral. For low-voltage systems, connect driver outputs to the lamp leads. Twist wires firmly and secure with a rated wire nut or crimp connector. For stranded wire, use a ferrule or proper crimp. Make sure ground is attached to the metal housing or ground conductor. This prevents faults. Once done, tuck wires neatly. Replace insulation or housing, and prepare to restore power for You finish by restoring power and watching the lamp as it starts. A steady light means success, while flicker or dimming points to loose connections or driver mismatch. If the lamp uses a driver, make sure the driver specifications match the lamp wattage and voltage. Replace it if necessary. Once confirmed, turn power off again, apply permanent insulation or sealant, secure the fixture, and label the circuit. If problems persist, shut power off and recheck wiring, or consult a quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.